Have you ever wondered how it all began? Not just life, but the universe itself? Our story starts around 13.8 billion years ago, with a phenomenon we've come to know as the Big Bang. Picture a point of infinite density and temperature, a singularity if you will. This singularity existed in the absence of what we understand as space and time. Then, something incredible happened. This singularity underwent a sudden, unfathomable expansion. In a flash, space and time were born, and the universe as we know it began to form. But how do we know this? One of the key pieces of evidence supporting the Big Bang theory is the cosmic microwave background radiation. This radiation, a faint echo from the early universe, permeates all of space and gives us a glimpse into the universe's infancy. From a point smaller than an atom, the universe expanded into the vast cosmos we see today. From the fiery aftermath of the Big Bang, a new cosmic chapter began. The formation of galaxies and stars. Picture this, a universe seething with energy, a hot dense soup of particles and radiation. As the universe expanded, it cooled, and these particles began to coalesce. The first atoms formed, primarily hydrogen and helium, the simplest and lightest elements. With the formation of atoms, the universe was no longer opaque but transparent to light, a pivotal moment known as the era of recombination. The resulting light, which we now observe as cosmic microwave background radiation, is a snapshot of the universe at this time. But the universe was not yet finished. These atoms began to gather under the influence of gravity, forming vast clouds of gas. Within these clouds, pockets of gas grew denser, collapsing under their own weight and igniting the nuclear fusion reactions at their cores that mark the birth of a star. Meanwhile, gravity also drew these stars together into galaxies, immense collections of stars, gas, and dust. These galaxies, in turn, clustered together under gravity, forming the intricate cosmic web we see today. These primordial stars and galaxies served as the building blocks for the cosmos, setting the stage for the creation of planets. With galaxies and stars lighting up the universe, the stage was set for the birth of planets and, eventually, our home Earth. Now, let's dive into the cosmic cradle where planets are born, the protoplanetary disks. These disks are dense, rotating clouds of gas and dust that surround newborn stars. They are the nurseries of the universe where the raw materials for planet formation are found. As the protoplanetary disk continues to spin around its star, a remarkable process begins to unfold. This process, known as accretion, is a bit like cosmic construction. Tiny dust particles within the disk begin to collide and stick together, forming larger and larger clumps. These clumps, or planetesimals, grow over time, attracting more and more material through their gravitational pull. Fast forward a few million years, and these planetesimals have grown into full-fledged planets. But let's pause for a moment and focus on one planet in particular, a planet that's very dear to us, Earth. Scientists believe that Earth came into existence around 4.5 billion years ago, forming from the dust and gas in a protoplanetary disk. In its early days, Earth was a hot, molten mass, constantly bombarded by other planetesimals. This period of intense asteroid activity is known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. One of these collisions is thought to have been particularly significant. A Mars-sized body named Theia is believed to have slammed into the young Earth, blasting a large amount of debris into space. This debris eventually coalesced to form our moon, forever linking our destinies. Over billions of years, Earth cooled, water vapor condensed to form oceans, and life, as we know it, began to take root. But our planet's story is far from over. Even as we speak, Earth continues to evolve and change, shaped by the same cosmic forces that brought it into existence. From a fiery, molten mass to a blue-green oasis teeming with life, Earth's journey mirrors the evolution of the universe itself, a testament to the cosmic ballet of creation.